Hi, I'm Neil Harris. I'm the Autosmart franchisee for Watford and Hemel Hempstead. Before I joined Autosmart, I was working as a sales manager. I would be getting up early in the morning, coming back late at night, probably working 60, 70 hours a week. Since becoming an Autosmart franchise about 17 years ago, I'm working more sensible hours. I'm working locally. The work-life balance has improved considerably. The concept is, instead of having to wait for customers to come to you, you are actually taking the products out to the customer in your mobile showroom. So it means that you are in total control of your income. The profits are your own. All the franchisees have strong margins and they get a lot of repeat business, which means you have a regular income. It also means that you become the local market leader and specialist, and you're not on your own. You get excellent support from head office. I'm selling professional cleaning and maintenance products to the trade, products that they need every day and the sort of products that they will be repeat buying. Motor trade and the haulage trade is the core business, but it's not just that. Wherever you go and whatever business you call on, there's always something you can sell them. Over the years, I've built up a large round of loyal customers, and they range from people who do stretch limo hire through to concrete hauliers. You're out and about every day meeting lots of different customers from different walks of life, lots of different characters, which means if you like meeting people and having some fun, you can have a great deal of fun with this business. The great thing about Autosmart products is they are great quality. So once you've demonstrated a product to them and the customer can actually see how good the product is, they tend to not only repeat buy, but also when you go in and sell them other products, they trust you, trust the brand, they will buy those products even perhaps without a further demonstration. So if you enjoy meeting people and want a business with a loyal customer base where profits are your own, then contact me or head office for more information on this fantastic opportunity. We look forward to hearing from you soon.